Heat waves are here. Can tomatoes keep up? Hello, my name is Gloria Muday. I'm the Charles M. Allen Professor of Biology, and my research laboratory focuses on understanding the signals that control plant growth and development. One of our current projects is on how high temperature negatively impacts the ability of tomatoes to form fruits. And in July in North Carolina, it can get pretty hot, and so you start to see loss of fruits forming come August. And so what we found is that when pollen is warmer, it produces more reactive oxygen species, and these are damaging molecules at high levels that cause the pollen to fail or to explode, and that no longer is able to fertilize and produce seeds and fruits. So flavonoids are antioxidants, and they are able to convert the dangerous reactive oxygen species to less damaging compounds. We have since tried to identify natural variants of plants that produce more flavonols and to create plant lines that overproduce these molecules. And we have found that they are protective against high temperature stress, resulting in plants that are much more thermotolerant. One of the approaches my collaborators and I are using is to try to look at the huge number of tomatoes that are available and try to identify those that are thermotolerant. One of our favorites right now is called Tamaulipas. It is from the state of Tamaulipas in Mexico, and it is really able to withstand high temperature stress. The work we do translates not just to agricultural supply chains and farmers, but to home gardeners. Trying to select plants that are suited for the particular location you live is important. Some plants do better under high temperature conditions, and so those of us in the South may need to select those. So we can select growth conditions that maybe are a little more sheltered to protect our plants. We can also select varieties that are adapted to our local climate.